Hi, I'm Tom Ruller. I'm the director here at the New York State Archives. Recently, our Researcher Services Unit was contacted by one of our neighbors here on the South End in Central Albany about the contents of the cornerstone of the great Empire State Plaza here. It was 1965 that Governor Nelson Rockefeller and a bunch of dignitaries put the cornerstone to construct this enormous edifice here in downtown Albany. The researcher, the person, our neighbor, had wondered what's in that cornerstone. They'd been searching for years but never knew what was in the cornerstone. So they came to the State Archives. And it turns out we have the records of the Temporary State Commission on the Capital City, which contain the list of the contents of the cornerstone. Here in this set of records, which consists of a large number of materials about the planning for what was going to happen here in the capital city, is a folder on the cornerstone laying ceremony. It was June 21st, 1965. Governor Rockefeller and his wife, Lieutenant Governor Wilson and Mrs. Wilson, and a number of other dignitaries were on the platform, and here is the list of the contents of the cornerstone of the Empire State Plaza. Understanding our buildings, understanding all the investments that the government has made across the state, and having access to information on the structures themselves, the significance of those structures, the planning that went into them, as well as interesting little tidbits of information like the contents of a cornerstone, are all preserved for you here in the State Archives.